This is English for Real People, a journey into clear, authentic English, explained slowly, calmly, and with purpose, where every episode brings you closer to understanding the language in its natural form. Welcome.
Welcome back. Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah, and this is English for Real People. Today, we want to talk about mornings, but not the perfect Instagram morning, the one nobody actually has.
Yeah, no wake up at 5, drink lemon water, run a marathon here. We're talking about real mornings where you sometimes wake up like, wait, what day is it?
Exactly. And we're keeping things slow today. So if you're making coffee right now or still in bed, you're in the perfect place.
Take a breath, settle in. Okay, let's build a morning routine that actually feels good, not one that stresses you out. So, I used to wake up and immediately grab my phone. Immediately. Emails, notifications, sometimes memes. And honestly, it was like throwing my brain into a blender.
That's such a good description. I think a lot of people do that. I used to do it too. And then I wondered why my mornings felt chaotic.
Right? So now I just sit. 1 minute. Nothing special, just a minute of existing. It's not meditation. It's not mindfulness. It's just letting my brain wake up at the same speed as my body.
I love that. For me, the first thing is opening the window, even in winter. Not all the way, just a little. Fresh air hits me like, okay, Sarah, let's begin.
Like nature saying good morning.
Exactly. And it's small, but small things shape the mood of the whole day. All right, movement. And I know some people already panicked when they heard that. But no, it's not exercise. I'm not doing a workout. I just stretch my neck, shoulders, back, 2 minutes.
And you look very peaceful doing it, by the way.
Thank you. But yeah, simple stretches. It's like telling my body, hey, I didn't forget about you.
My version is 10 slow squats. 10, not 11, not 50.
Very strict.
Super strict. But honestly, small wins are real wins. When something is tiny, you actually do it every morning, and that consistency feels really good.
Exactly. Gentle movement wakes you up without making you tired before the day even starts.
Now, breakfast, my favorite part. I have oats with fruit every day. Same bowl, same spoon. It's kind of a ritual now.
You are a man of routine.
I really am. It's comforting. My brain is like, yes, this moment.
I'm the opposite. I change it every day. Sometimes yogurt, sometimes toast, sometimes just tea. But I always keep it simple. Breakfast should not feel like a science experiment.
Yes, no, mix these 14 ingredients and blend until smooth. No, thank you.
No, just something light, something that gives you a quiet, nice moment. After breakfast, I sit down with a tiny piece of paper and write 3 lines. One thing I must do, one thing I want to do, and one thing I'll enjoy. It keeps my day balanced,
I love that so much. Mine is even simpler. I only choose the first step for work, not the whole project, just the first step.
That's so smart, because big tasks are scary until you know how to start.
Yes, when you say, okay, the first step is just opening the document, suddenly it feels doable.
And without a first step, you spend the morning wandering around your house like a confused ghost with coffee.
A very confused ghost.
A stylish ghost, though.
Obviously.
If I can, I walk a few blocks. The morning world is so gentle. People look calmer, the light feels softer. It's like everything is waking up with you.
I love that feeling. My trick is leaving home 5 minutes early, just 5. Those 5 minutes are the difference between I'm late and I'm okay, I've got time.
Yes, a calm arrival can change your whole morning.
It really can. A good morning isn't about doing more, it's about doing things with kindness.
For yourself.
Exactly.
Thanks for joining us for this gentle morning. I hope something here inspires you to try a softer start tomorrow.
Your routine doesn't have to be impressive. It just has to make you feel good.
Bye.